Abusia family, Mr. Nothing I get. Nrana the video be starting set trend. They say what body managers woman kakaba. Na Ghana bloggers or mother dano. You be so asemi mu train style BAB without so much shame. Send us no crazy. Na video ya make kan wasem so nya hu ya any.
Be friends saying fan of that.
Did you call him to?
Do you have to call him before? Why don't you talk to me?
No, came back inside.
Listen to me now. But to me, nobody will do. I won't touch you. I won't touch you. No. Don't be other catcher.
Hey, family.
Asem no see what you tell her because na family wa half for DJ Kobe black and white party e course last Saturday no. From the video no guy no the family about on na hu ha or try so be calm situations down. Many need din komo tie ne course wan kasa e wo ho. And additionally DJ Kobe and staffers organizers na here show no mo the family buy no. Many o mo so kasa here to get a much clearer understanding of ne see no. Yes shase. Yan chahon yan jump straight to come on edin and run after say video no started say make waves no. First of all, one munim no okay DJ Kobe no black and white event na here no. The managerial staffers no ba kono no. No na in charge of the artist family. Your other guys are now in charge of kiddies so. Nti nra there was a video be trendy about family incident ni na. Nra na honest family now. Now wo that day na incident na happen here no. Say ni si kokobae.
Well, your Hanopa and family manager. What can you so many times say Ogidi Brown, Channel friend, OGB music, on the managing now. No Italy. But then me call area and say me go for family. Or catch me say Ogidi Brown afraid Ebusano or no family no baby owo. E mo the location ascend no.
Oba na no friend.
No. Yes oba no friend. We say you be through Friday. The Friday and upon it at least 9 years. It is Dama Dechi, the Dechi, no number, no organizer, no promoter, as a Ocasio Coto and Yamaka Crab. Janam supermarket, my toy, and a familiar call free will be home. Say, the manager so friend out with Yama. Not the manager so friend out with Yama. And your name is Unano, may roaming service and because so many you has a friend is network was it. It's yana sometimes you could baby a year with your friend is you could baby a Wi-Fi and more sponsor. Okay, Timena friends Timena
WhatsApp the
okay. It's you could baby son and no one fan telephone friend manager. Busana say you say offer me a munya na say also you has say you need a friend say you need access to a friend say course okay you know so wo so abedu dia and here tell me hotel na me ba
okay sana family na ka kire Ogidi no
okay
but then ya na me menti ase ne wa frɛ ya kyerɛ wo baby a nipa no wo the location asɛn no still no frɛ ye other staff ni say family why say na say a check bibia nipa no nti afi no so pe me number bo bia mfa number nti epie kototo ni ama me ne family ne ye guy we ye buy na Ogidi Brown no e wo ho no say nya ntokwa owo hotel ho no
bibia family da no
okay I think say otena for a couple of hours because ye twen sa wamba nti ye koye around in area ye buy no wo hotel ho no
OGB
no our hotel with some 2 other guys.
Okay.
From information I mean minimum almost back here in the other guy in the minimum.
Okay.
So we packed na yes sir na money call inside home. And senior man say on it Ogidi Brown no kasa no wa hwe ntia or because I think say there was a little misunderstanding. I don't know the story between Ogidi Brown and the artist.
Okay.
Inti ye buy na I said now everything was going on okay. Senior man Ogidi Brown and Kasa, it also they were talking amicably. Bibia was okay. The obe friend family say ombrana obon Kasa for some few minutes no monko. Me man call because from the look of things I think say no monko anye bibia yen tokwa bia. But call here na me wo hotel ni inside na me hwe nyama na yekoto ye no so.
Oh they came back. Boss. Time I call car na ho a first of all mo munim no okay young mission entertainment ho one dey family buy ti time am ko ya mo ko Ogidi Brown car ne ho dey ni see
okay ya ko ye no e na family buy family busa friend say Ogidi Brown say odini kasai say akwaba na afina ya ba be nti hono mo no e na yika say oba no sika pe obaji ni sika
Ogidi Brown kan say
oba be jiska
every
oba jiska wo family ho ti ba sa no e na me catch o mo say sisi no show no enya start here e na show no enya nko eni mu kra no enti no sisi na kasa minti me first come but at the same time o ma me nhwe na me frame boss enye we en confirm free
na namu akọ
no say na me confirm free no no say e da meeting this kana man I meeting this kana man no say na o mo say okay ti o no na me free no na me ko me ka de asi o no say o mu yenu nyina ayi aba bi hia wo ha say enti no me hu ekwan a me fa so am this kana ebe mo no say me fa phone into speaker
okay
and I'm the phone to speaker. This phone to speaker. And obusa o mu mi ni so o mu nyina ya o mu tie. And almost o mu tie. And okay me say you know contract no. Oni ayi na sign a friend is family na sign contract.
No one Ogidi Brown sign.
Oni Ogidi Brown sign contract.
Okay.
Enti no say no scan no. O friend say family no betim this kind of man because of the ma Ogidi Brown family ka so on perform one means go for no mo
any power in the sign contract in there so jiska okay
enti no me first ka no e ma friends e family the ska no e ma family no ho na as kasa kakra ba say friends honum no e na we say family e sa call Ogidi Brown so ebusa na say si ankasa no ye ba to yi nyina ya ko Germany ya ko ya nanti hase duru ba bi ko na ba bi e beta ko na ho aye because ya ko ye no Germany ho no ni ma bibiri ho no ma anko yi ama ji ho no sa ko free Düsseldorf ko Hannover ho no na say ni ma bibiri anko yi ana family so antini manager nka according to Owe no
family time na mo Germany
na mu nyina no ya antini nka ye ba hase nyina no family antini nka enti no that time no busa family busa the manager no say to see yankasa no mintie won ka bepem sa abre no adenti na afi no aba hase and no say me de me ba say me ba ba jisika no say sa scanty na ba e say ba bia me nam ba bia me da say me didi o say me dey en fa no say I me de scanty na ba e first kan ma me na me ko no say okay see no scanner o me de ama me show no ko yan start show say be there say show be ba so say emma so say no me dey ama me enti no me nwie show no na obetemenka
okay now according to video no yes family here aboni manager so sana net
settle asem no de ma de ebe mu kakra ne family twa nani no eno hu say obi video no eno ka say
na ni manager
no enua no ene ne video
nti car no no my scope no car no na hwana na eka car no
car no no Ogidi Brown e call na Ogidi Brown 60 year
okay nti which means nipa na not the other side one na video
na mo bie gate to mo bie gate na no that other guy no butu ayi ne so sa e friend say door no obutu so
okay ada door
no
you know we be driver on the side no door we be and we road glass nti we ni gina other side no na o face family no with the camera no but ochire ho say ni a o mi phone but then not was but then the part time like me free baby am wo no ebe join ni omo ne omo kasa gidi ni but then all of a sudden the people made family angry because I say omo ka say ma say omo force ni some first car number and some first car mo obi an obi antumi nya ne hwe so then they took a video of family angry and then ohun so omo twa no
that time
oka say omo nja ni video no omo dum ye then they came to attack family no but that part no I had to defend the artist and yes that time na me ko twa video
yeah
what you say because
that time then I
me buy na best of them na catch family so hotel into hotel they were outside talking and oka so be then so family was angry. He's human.
We are there say be to me.
Oh yeah, me manager. Me contractor me sign here countries are mako baby am die ni am di here ni am afem unim hwe wo de o te say ma ba wo de imagine we ya
no waboa no
o manager aba
sorry
waba country a manager no wo you live in a different city yes but then I'm your artist you can come to me and be like oh men to me am ba Germany men to me am France men to me am go the but then what ba me home so at least you can feel comfortable here but then you drive from your city to where I am to come and collect money and then go unim ni am afem before this year unim sika do don po a ye be ma like do you know how much I charge so then the video circulating is short and simple family on yeshi on bo bia so ono kwa no mo attack no but then when they attacked him no major video ni twa
na later family ko hotel no mo san ne be kasa ai mo ni ogidi
brand opoku na pie ni me ne family na ko so
enti no e ba no okasa bebre na so be too no fu because we ase de tiseti ye nuanom ene ti wi ase enti no eniema be duru time bi wo no be ko papa duru bi wo be ko boni enti no mfa abotre anyway say asemosi eni nuanom no ana say na kra no enti no omo pekwan omo befa so omo sisi asem no enya ade bi anya say bi ewi ase ebu ebu anipa e wi ase so ati ase but ni kwan say ekoba say duru bi wo no ase oye ye ni say de ekwan duru bi o ya ade bi wo no be ne ya so ati ase wonam me nam say medidi o say medel say me den o we say o family so ati ase o buy only money at least you know
the whole issue ni na if you say the whole thing is about money
on the maba mamiska na menko oba me manager
me no ka kire me say
o say black cd 2 pounds
sika no ono no nya de se wo hu sika
sika me so me to punch
at least a manager my artist
family ka kire me say ono no nya de se wo hu sika e wo na bla bom kesi bia enye se odi sika ma no no ene ha no but the kwan a the manager ase what treating wo sa nantie no mu ne we say no ama no person ne ne o yede e settle ase no ne class no mu hu e kwan a next time no e bi nsi bio
okay
but then me problems see an here o manage artist and then only ne wo sika problem rightfully you know you cannot cry rightfully you know ogidi bound deserve sika because men am manage
contract
your contract you can me deserve but then if you come to your artist program like to you can say wa back crowfo for onye ho no free but wo manager na ho na out so you drive from your city to baby our artist no one say mamis kana mengo who does that
and a feminine DJ ko bi ne second in command prince din komo mo mu kirem ne ko aso lead to say incident we no first of all no contract na mo sign no woni ogidi brand sign ya na so woni family ya na so woni promoter na sign
well actually contract na sign here no na Ogidi Brown win like any and OGB whatever no music no any movie and we obi any the signing contract was Nanaya or Amwako which is Young Mission because normally even we no matter what brand that you have no so we cut on most of the times no promoter no or the battle no and when you deal you don't deal with artist manager or whatever. Exactly. So we had the agreement with the promoter who brought family. Yeah.
Into on the contract, no when sign.
On the contract, normally no sign the contract. Who main organizer no sign it and your partner.
Okay. Until now when family when they kind of saying
young
promoter no na Young Mission and they would deal, but not with OGB music.
Oh, that.
Okay. Until nra no e na asem ni nyina boil up nra na wo kan wo na wo kan kid squad no ho ko fa kid say na asem ne ko ye nye about kid na about family issue no
ye ko no ne ko hotel fan say sorry airport ne ko fa kid
okay
nti tama ne ko no na me de we ni nti na me wo me ka ni e no ndi mechi
okay
e no fra me phone so say ni na as I say in the sense Ogidi Brown ever so we be a family so person we be a family nti bi ni a ono no so Ogidi Brown friend na as on person we be disturb because in near kwa for artist na program no so na wo near what that day no na big program nti say you concentrate more so catch me say on my or the number mo Ogidi Brown nti no friend na bi ni a na me na kasa
okay
nti no friend na ka che ne say ye wo kwan so a ye nam kwan so a ye ko
airport akofa kidi nti family no omen on kan I don't say na obey den family I'm say family no our pressure on other guys na
Okay.
no I say omo no mo kan mi nya bema I don't say na meet me dey number I'm say on train same be family na answer so be so mu bia although so because we are the manager but yen no ye ne e friend say nipa ye ne obi be deal a enye manager ne e friend say ye ne work contract
Okay.
ye ne promoter no e
No
no
contract.
nti bi ni ye ne promoter na be kasa enye manager because manager no only promoter
But say na OGB ye the manager.
we are the manager but no na mfa me because nipa ko na one artist ne brem
Okay.
ona me be kasa
Makes sense. Okay.
enye nea owo echo be kasa me manager ono frɛ me na me kasa ne say twɛn na me frɛ nipa ko na one family nam no nti later no me frɛ me nya be ma no na one family nam o ka kyerɛ me say no mo ye shopping one or two also no mo talk one or two things I got to say we been on family mam nti me ne family kan family say ono no omo abonten but nya the fault say on fa call because outside the friends hotel no need internet
Okay.
nti okay ground no
Yes, hotel or Wi-Fi.
GH line no nti no use friends hotel Wi-Fi no nti we nya ono friend no na family no any net
Okay.
enu ti na ne nsanka no
Nti afterwards no, DMB na esi to aso.
and then say later no make a change say bibini a me bisa family nti family ka change say no ni net nti bibini a odu hotel on mo na so mo wo no wetu no makasa but later no man frɛ Ogidi Brown ono sa frɛ me back o frɛ me back na make a change say yo boss bibini a train say yen be do pressure na sa asem bi wo na yaka
Mu free port no be dura.
yeah you be do pressure na bi do na yaka ena o ka chem say bibini a metumi de driver no number amana na o ka chem say oh driver number there means me for man because only family na was ti me workers ni there ni home numbers ena see you ena on mo car line but later do airport no ya wo airport on mo na offer minya be me
Kobi.
yeah offer minya be man ena o ka chem say bibini a ase ono no ofili say Ogidi Brown air recording conversation until we are recording.
Okay.
I'm so okay look and I'm so my phone. Until see I'm recording on my phone so. To see I. Until and like I said no say familiar you say as o kan nyama bebre na no friend say ni company can or register o hanoma ansana o do Ghana. Nyama bebre. Na ye po be twa a friend say kutia man obi twa we aman obi I'm say na chill nti ase ye no ne bon komo no o kasa sa oba ase na ono na Kobe e try say o calm me down say oh opa train bi ni a o china kra bi twa hia na aka ho ase say ni say no say no nti o kasa sa nti later no we try say oba explain things aman oh we tia na pen na opa na aka line
Now asem na we can have the actual phone call between DJ Kobi and Ogidi Brown, family manager no. Na say na tie.
Hello?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Sorry, na me check board no say flight na land there but my Mr. What your munka?
Debi o me ni obi a mu bia number. So kwa me na me nyo number na. Me ni obi na mo no to kwa juma 7:30 I was 7:30 din ko back.
Nti say what so hotel on right? Wini ma dia obaye. Yen ni say. Wo de manimpa nko na wo de anasa momo nko se me ba after the event no mesra o metua wo fuel ama na waba I will be in metina mo bi then ye na yakasa as enuanum na ya settle bibia
bro enye anu matter DJ Kobi there say family to me perform me Abraham Zanka
Ogidi timi
me no me company na me bi no me register or Italy answer na e Ghana okay me after police see am ma ba me me artist me who say me artist perform no ha
okay
ya wa ha so if you know family no or ye arrogant dia
Ogidi me
like why ya dia mana bro so aseme but listen to me no me pese wo de kwa na me hu kan no na me ndia de no
me prefer say in this issue me ba
Ogidi
tie na ogidi tie me who say ogidi tie me when him at the end of the day me na me CEO of Unity and I say Team DJ Kobino se si ani aba no se me allow say oh ogidi munya kasa one on one e bi ni me before baba I would prefer say me wo honum if not trying or china Sunday bia wo bia me meto fuel ama and I say me ne family baba bia wo hwese wakati no
oh you
see me frafre
before omukoko shia wo hotel hono na mo yawe
hotel no na enim se na minim se omo hotel no but later na esi hotel na minim because na me wo Milano na me train kid
ndi wo as promoter ya kan say if you want to organize a esi sa no I also be my police for abeche woni ade obe my police for just say because we keep no artist from or no manager no feeling it say na say na wo dwen.
Oh, actually when I started to offer no the first thing I told my people they said send ya ogidi efrefre no say ogidi fra e mo bianfa because the reason is artists are way free all the way from Ghana or bebo show now what issue be I think say either you solve it before the event
stress.
And now say we be trying after the event not exactly the day that you know said event in Ebeko yeah until me stop is a memo bianfa until friend na be catch ogidi you know something we need me pa you na you eat the come and see you know something do me a favor and my event new year the following day yes Sunday no me family any meeting ni na baba wo bia wo beka si share no if you have anything to say with family any promoting on the family by na I have no problem but not now a few hours for him to perform yes oh man
concentrate
into me free back my guy say look send ya ogidi react no Emma omo fa family enko hotel hono because BBC are we the organizers we are the exactly into me omo fa family enko hotel no after an hour I say bia omo wo and I say omo chinchin store na say omo e fed up and artist or be performing also to me or rest enough into no offer me say oh boss winim mayenko ogidi me ni problem bia e na o to me so nye bibia asam o work on mayenko na me say okay me I thought to say a better say be ho answer from ordinary reaction ogidi reaction but if one was say oh we need problem then why not we bet me akọ
we try no eba na say na me frɛ hotel no street because me na me ko book na me frɛ hotel so me ka tell me say bibinia nobody is allowed
to enter
no one is allowed apart from my brother no mam confirmation say bibini kra na say casino bi I say enfane say
tawantawa bi aba
ekusia ombe frɛ kuti
okay
so mo ka chem oh na me friend first na me ka chem say ni and my catch hotel for I no ka chem so okay
now me ne Fred kasa you know see video no guy we ehunu wa kai ono ene twa sa video no and a guy na no ani opoku guy no ani ode family ba to no oni ni gina we kasa no Ogidi Brown ni junior brother now say open chirechiremu bia na sa na tie as to why Ogidi Brown ne squad buy on betwa video no the Sunday bloggers no I don't know, I have no idea. Me name say no mo be set for me up to be the bad guy who said then I don't know. Me name say video no na wa and I send just the 30 seconds need to bloggers mo post to as well. I still don't know. But me name ni Matthias and say obi asum and to see people turning this into something that it is not no. It's just sad. For site bit is a Ghana Web. Me call JSS even then time. Now me read Ghana Web. Ghana Web now is a reputable brand name when it comes to online news. Until for you guys to post an article stating say familiar bon managers my brand no could be anymore. It's just disgusting. Nanza man found one story mu post. Omo found say no cre and I say no cre story no. Omo found ni pay be hano. Ni omo found one say views, clicks. And to see a site like Ghana Web who are supposed to be leaders, who are supposed to be better, following the footsteps of mediocre bloggers without actually verifying a story now will post to me a real and I say not no. That's just sad. That is just wrong. No be sa for me so person me yetena se na edi nkomo ana o say nura de on to me because na phone call say ba obi e pay obi team friend now I record the voice now go post it on YouTube to get views which is just wrong. Nti o ka say nura on team no me say anytime any the other guys na ka say you know. Now Ogidi Brown share no feel so also person be the side of the story man. My doors are open. He can call me and I'll put him on. Afterwards, no family as well releasing new track Binra, which is very interesting track. Kakreni.
You tell man them say you better than me. Trust no one and if I get a dream fee. If I dey go high, be God no be beat. Small sound make you never overspeed. Say we need be hard and they wish you well. I feel when you be hard and they wish you well. Me I no go bother, I am used to them. I'm a day student, Oh come on, sempa martini now. Sissy my son, pa martini now. You say I dey rush me martini now. Who see me no shame martini now. Oh come on, sempa martini now. Me sissy my son, pa martini now. I do like I know here, pa martini now. Me huni now, share martini now.
So hope full version it here, link in YouTube video description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Till we meet again. Take care.